In this video, I'm going to remove the fuel tank, remove the heat shields on the exhaust pipes, and I'm also going to eliminate the wiring, something I've never used and I don't feel I need to keep. And we're going to take off some odds and ends, whatever I feel like doing today. Let's be honest, these heat shields are not looking good. This one here is rusted, completely off. Quite a bit of rust on the inside. Some of these mounting areas are not looking good. They're pretty weak and rusty. So I don't know if it's worth saving these. I mean, I could always weld a new piece of steel in here, but I'm not really sure if it's worth doing that. The original intent was to have these powder coated flat black to match the mufflers, and now I'm thinking for a little bit more money I might just replace these heat shields. Game plan: go online, see if I can find these in flat black and see if it's cost effective to replace them, or to go ahead and weld new sections in here. I'll have to do some research. Okie dokie. Did quite a bit today. Got that tank off like I wanted to. Took off the rear speakers. Eliminated the wiring for the CB system. Got the tour pack insert out. Removed the luggage rack on the top of the tour pack. I'm going to research the heat shields on the exhaust. Might be cheaper to just buy new ones because those are in bad shape with the rust on those brackets. One came completely off and 3 don't look good at all. One thing I don't like is dealing with gasoline. I can't stand the smell of it. Trying to drain these tanks, you never get everything out of it. So you end up, when you take the crossover line off, it ends up leaking. Makes a mess. The smell is horrible. I mean, it is what it is, but I don't like doing that. I'm not a fan of it. So at least that worst part is done, which is that fuel tank. But anyway, that's all I got. If the next video is up, it'll be on your top right-hand corner. So you can click on that and go to the next one if you like. God bless, and be safe out there on the road.